Hi guys, good afternoon from here in Canada, Calgary, Alberta. Samahan niyo ako ngayon to bubuksan natin ang laman nitong aking nabiling coffee maker. Mag-unbox tayo ng ating coffee maker. Yeah, here in Canada, we love coffee because of the weather. It's cold. It's always cold here in Canada. Yeah. Now it's -14 outside, and yeah, I have a lot of coffee here. Gustuhan ko siyang coffee dito na dark roast or medium roast, pero dark roast ginagamit ko siya. Gustuhan ko siya kasi masarap. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng asukal. Mas masarap siya kung tutuusin, to be honest, kaysa bibili ako ng like 3-in-1 coffee. But now I think it's more healthy than 3-in-1 coffee. Yeah, ito na. Ito yung coffee natin. Let's try to use this one. Let's open the coffee maker. Ano pala? 4 cups siya. 4 cups yung kanyang maximum. With permanent filter. Yan. Dito kasi sa Canada, ito dati yung ginagamit ko. I use this one. Filter. Yeah, to filter. Pero wala ako kasi I don't have yung parang salaan na mismo to handle the coffee. Ito siya. Ito yung sura ng kape dito. Bango siya. Ano siya? Arabica coffee. Kaya mabango. Arabica. Ayun. Ito siya yung drip. Manual drip. Wala akong ganito. Ginagamit ko lang is tasa. I use only cup. And this filter. Before I use this one with cup. And this one, pinifilter ko siya, and I pour the water, the hot water, using the cup. So I saw this in a superstore, and it cost $25. So buksan natin. Coffee maker. Ang ganda niya guys. Ito siya. Ito yung picture niya. With permanent filter. May instruction siya. So, sa picture. Yan. And ito na. This is it. There's a manual. English and different languages. And it's made from Portugal. Sorry. It's not made in Canada. It's not made in Canada. Made in Portugal. Ito na. Ito yung kanyang permanent filter. Ano siya? Ano nga siya? Made in stainless. Sabi dito, no paper filter, no capsule, no waste, just coffee and water. This one. Enjoy great coffee while caring for the planet. Make taste, not waste. One of the best way to brew coffee. Permanent filter included. Heat safe borosilicate glass. Ito yung ito siya. Ito na. Ang ganda niya. Wala tayo na sa science. Yung chemistry. May mga baso-baso, mga glasses sa chemistry. Ito siya. Babasahin natin. Ayun. Hot fluid must be handled with care. Not for stove top use. Children and hot fluid should be kept apart. Yeah. Ang ganda niya. Ito siya. May hawakan. Then, meron pa siyang parang pitch shell. And this is the filter, guys. So, yan. Ganyan natin ito nga para makita nyo. This one. See? We have ready coffee. So beautiful. Ito siya. Try na natin. Atin mo nang huhugasan ng konti. Lumalawan. Ito na. Filter siya. Try natin guys. Meron tayong scooper. Ang sabi dito, 1 use medium ground coffee. Ito yung ating dating luma. Now, meron na tayong bagong filter, silver. Try natin, ha? Ito yung coffee. I love or I prefer the dark roast coffee. Kasi ang nakalagay dito is 100% Arabica coffee. It's not for advertisement. Ito siya. Lalagay natin siya dito. Yun. Gusto ko dalawa. I want 2. I think it's tablespoon. Kutsara. Siya. Kita nyo guys, you know. See? Yan. Then, ubusan natin yung tubig. Set slowly. Ayun. Ano na siya? Sana hindi siya mabasag. Hindi ba? Sosyal. May sosyal. Pagka-sosyal. Ito siya. Tumutulo na siya guys. Coffee filter. Tumutulo na siya. Oh, yeah. Hey. Diba? Sarap nito. Coffee filter. Ano lang natin siya. Basta may tubig. Hindi na tayo bibili nito kasi medyo mahal, $3. Pero okay naman siya. Pag wala ka talagang choice nito. If you can't afford, it's only $25. It's only $25 is 1,000 pesos. More than 1,000 pesos or 1,000 pesos in the Philippines. But it's fine kung ito naman is magagamit mo. Bibili pala uli ako nito, dadalhin ko sa Philippines. I buy this, 1 more or 2 pang regalo. Ganda niya, oh. Ito siya, filter, napipilter siya. And nandito na yung kanyang lasa sa ilalim. Oh, cute. Ito siya guys. Yan. Yan yung kape. Ito yung filter na siya. Sarap nito. Made in Portugal. $25 lang sa Superstore guys. It's so nice. I love it. Ayan. May konting patak pa siya. Tumutulo pa. And it's made from stainless. Hindi na tayo mag-waste ng filtering paper. Ano lang siya. Ito na. Silver. That's it guys. Then kuha tayo ng tasa. This is the coffee. Okay, natulo-tulo pa siya. And it said, cup of coffee solves everything. Totoo yan. Ito sa Canada. But I don't like all. And guys, I don't like only a pure coffee. I need sugar. Sorry. I need sugar too. Maybe one tablespoon of sugar for my coffee. And ito na siya. Wala na siyang masala na siya. Lagyan natin siya dito. And this is it. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may ganun po siya. I don't know the purpose of this. But I don't know. Paano? Kung ano ba ito? And this is it, guys. This is the coffee we filtered. And ito na. Kunti lang pala siya. Sobrang tapang nito for sure. Yung tapang nito for sure. Ito siya. We have now a coffee. Let's taste. Yummy. Ang sarap. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, ang sarap guys. Napipil talaga yung coffee. I love coffee. Pwede siyang ano siya, pure coffee lang siya with sugar, or if you want some cream, it's fine. I think bumili ako ng creamier for me brewed coffee. And it's a brewed. This coffee is fine, perfect for me. Yummy. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Alan Herrera Canada Vlogs for more videos and updates. And this is it. You can use now every day this coffee filter. This one made from Portugal. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed Sunday to you guys. I'm Alan Herrera from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Thank you.